the next area we're going to look at is your users. A lot of people ask, who's visiting my site? Really, pretty much everybody's goal is to get new users, new prospects, new customers, new donors, and they want to know who is accessing their website. So some of the common questions they have is, how did a user find me? Are you gaining prospects? Are you expanding your reach online, or is it just existing customers finding you? And then what keywords are they using to be found? So there's a couple reports that we'll look at. The first one is called the traffic type. And this is located in acquisitions under overview. And what's great about this report is it kind of shows you at the highest level kind of traffic sources. And so it breaks it down by organic meaning a search engine, so Google, Yahoo, or Bing. And then you have direct, which means somebody knew your URL and they typed it into a browser. The third one being referral, so they clicked on a link somewhere. This could be social media, it could be directories, it could be news outlets, or any other URL on the internet. And the last one being paid, so if you use Google AdWords or any other online advertising. And what I like about this report is it allows you at that highest level to see how people are accessing you. For this particular report, your goal would honestly be organic. Seeing more organic lends itself better to people that don't know who you are. Because if they're typing in directly, they probably know who you are. Maybe they got it from an advertising, but again, it lends more to that they knew who you are. As well as referral, those are also good. But again, organic is probably the best. Now, if you want to dive a little bit deeper and actually see which sites they're using, that'll be the next report, which is called the All Refers. And this is located in the acquisitions section. And the full referral report basically breaks out every single URL that is used to access your site. And so in this case, you can see some search engines, so Google, Bing, and Yahoo. And then you can also see some social media, so Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+. And then you can also see some referrals, so social media today. A lot of the times you'll see a search engine at the top for this particular report. But again, how this is helpful is it allows you to kind of see a little bit deeper as to how people are finding your website. So for this particular report, again, seeing search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo is helpful because it kind of lends itself to a user that doesn't know who you are. So if we start thinking about search engines, the next very logical question people say is, well, when they went to a search engine, what did they type in to get your website to come up? And so that's going to be the keywords report. Again, still located in the acquisitions section under keywords. And this breaks down every term that a user typed into Google, for example, or any search engine. For this particular report, you want to start to see products and services that you offer rather than your company name. Because again, that lends more to somebody that's looking for something that you offer versus maybe knowing who you are. So as we look at this example, you can kind of see informatics in a couple different forms, but then you can start to see adaptive web design. So again, seeing some of those terms means that a user is just looking for a service. They're looking for adaptive web design. They don't know who to go to, but they need somebody. And so when you start to look at the organic keyword report, the goal is to see more products and services that you offer.